Today IoT students will give case study about design thinking based hardness of water. So now we are discussing about what is the hardness of water, what are the minerals present in the water, so what are the applications to find out the hardness of water, the different type of the hardness, permanent hardness and temporary hardness. So we are going to discuss one by one. So here what is the empathy of hardness of water?
Water is used in day-to-day life for drinking, washing and other industrial works. Many face problems while for lather formations and pipe staining and for infections and many things. So hardness of water is very important things to study. So we are going to make a study about the permanent hardness of water.
Okay, what do you define the hardness of water?
Permanent hardness of water consists calcium and magnesium salts. It cannot be removed by boiling, and the permanent hardness of water is calcium and magnesium salt. It cannot be removed by boiling. The permanent hardness of water, our actual problem is to determine the permanent hardness of water.
Okay, what is the idea? What are the ideas to improve the hardness of water?
In the ideas stage, we explore more ideas and methods to determine the hardness of water. Initially, we explore hardness of water by soap titration method, which is simple and inexpensive. Next, we choose the chemical method, which is EDTA method. So,
That method only we are using in our titration, in our chemistry experiment.
by comparing these both, we choose EDTA method as the best one.
Okay. So why EDTA is chosen means it's a chelating agent. It was very useful for all the titrations in calcium and Bros in calcium experiment. No, we are the last experiment I think. So the EDTA is a burette solution. We are using it as a titrant. So what is the prototype of hardness of water?
So now we can talk about the prototype. So we can do like an experimental setup using EDTA, buffer solution and erythrome black tea as an indicator. Then we can boil the water to remove the temporary hardness, and then we can titrate it. So the water will change from wine red to steel blue, which will be our endpoint.
Okay, good. The EBT is an indicator for this titration. Okay. What are the tests? Finally, what is the application of hardness of water?
Test. Actually, we are going to test the hardness of water, whether it is reduced or not. For that, we are going to take a sample of treated water and add a soap solution to that solution and check whether the lather is formed or not. If the lather is formed, how much the lather is formed, we have to check that. And if the lather is more, it indicates the reduced hardness. This result is compared with the non-treated water, untreated water. And we have to check the white deposits on the utensils also. This indicates the effectiveness of treatment on the hardness of water.
Yes, good. So finally, the hardness of water is very useful in industry for the water quality testing. So we can differentiate what is the hard water and what is the soft water. So we can use some laundry purpose. So lot of applications we are using in day-to-day life. So I have little questions about the case study. So we are using EDTA, right? So what is the meaning of EDTA? What is the full form of EDTA?
So the full form is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid.
Okay, good. So we are indicator we are using EBT. So what is the indicator? What is EBT indicator? What is the full form of EBT?
Erythrome black tea.
Erythrome black tea. Okay.
Why we are using EBT as an indicator instead of phenolphthalein and methyl orange?
Yes, here we are using indicator EBT. So EBT is a metallochromic indicator. Because we are using EDTA is a chelating agent, we are using taken in burette. It will be bind with the calcium and magnesium ions. It's already present in water, right? So the ions will be bind with the EDTA. So we using indicator, it will be removal of EDTA and the EBT will be bind into calcium and magnesium. So that that's why we are changing the color. So first of all, bind red. If EBT is bind with the magnesium and calcium, the color will be changed still. So that's only different in that experiment. And also EBT is using only the ions, for ions present. If a phenanthrin and methyl orange already we are using in next experiment, right, in alkalinity of water. So that's different from EBT. So thank you for your nice case study video. Thank you.